Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is how I went to bed last night. I went to bed last night like this because the night before I went to bed like this to try to combat the frizz in my hair. And I thought that I was filming yesterday morning, and I never turned the camera on until the end after I almost finished styling my hair. So this is how I went to bed last night. And I'm going to turn around. And in the next clip, you're going to see just how I did it. Can you imagine this as a hairstyle? I had to stop and say thank you to my subscribers for your support. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Now, if you hadn't subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting on? Come on, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you will know when my videos are published. And so those plaits and knots were able to combat the frizz that I was seeing after shampooing my hair and taking it out before it was completely dried. So if you have problems with frizz, that is one way that you can work on getting rid of it. Now, my gray hair is going to be a bit frizzy anyway, but this is what it looks like. And I'm also going to show you whatever I captured the day before from my clip, because I want you to see my jewelry from the day before as well, and my jewelry today. Have a wonderful day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, family, followers, and subscribers. And I especially love God, because he keeps blessing me over and over again, over and over. thought I was taping. I thought I turned my video on, and I didn't. So I wanted to still come back and show you what it looks like. I may do this again. But the reason I did that was because my hair was really frizzy after braiding and banding. I took my hair out before my plaits were dry. Therefore, I promoted frizz. This morning, I'm telling you how to combat frizz. And there's much less frizz in my hair today. I also wanted you to see my jewelry for today. Stud that I put in my ear. But I wanted you to see the clip on this necklace. This is what it looks like. It's a little T-like shape. And then this part looks like a flower. And this goes through there for a clasp. I'm wearing jade. And this necklace was made by my friend Marie. And I've mentioned her in previous videos. She is my forever friend. We don't speak very often. And then when we do speak, it's for a long period of time. So this is my hair for the day. This is my jewelry for the day. And that is how I combat frizz. I'm going to turn around and let you see my hair in the back. My gray has no respect for me. It's like old people. They do what they want to do. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I also love God. I want to tell you that this morning my scripture came from Proverbs 27:17. It says, as iron sharpens iron, as a man sharpens the countenance of his friends. I did a video a few days ago, and it appeared that someone disagreed with me. And I realized that disagreements are okay, because it causes us to think more and also consider the opinions of others. After a short discussion in the comments, I realized that iron sharpens iron as a man sharpens the countenance of his friend. If there is never friction, there's no sharpening. So what I'm saying is, I need to consider the opinions of others. I need to consider that my opinion is not always what's right. I need to consider everyone else in all that I say. I need to consider everyone else in my speech. I need to consider others. I need to present myself in a light that shows that you matter to me. Thank you.